Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today we're going to be reviewing a Home Depot laminate called TrafficMASTER. My mom told me if I had nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. Well, I'm sorry, Mom. I can't keep my mouth shut here. Tune in to find out what happened.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
TrafficMASTER by Home Depot. It's a 7mm AC3 rated laminate. Today we did the Natural Hickory. It doesn't look like Natural Hickory, and believe it or not, when it's done, it almost looks good from a distance. 8 inches wide by 48 inches long. Comes with a 15-year residential warranty. It requires underlayment and specifically says in the directions, do not use a tapping block. Well, if you know me around here, I always tell you don't use tapping blocks anyways. This stuff's so fragile, they're actually recommending that you don't use one. Scary stuff here. Actually, I didn't even get paid for the installation. I did it as a barter. I wouldn't have taken money to put this product in. I would have walked away. What's wrong with the product? First of all, it's so fragile and brittle, you wouldn't believe that you can walk on this stuff. I would say 10% of the boards had some kind of defect in their corners where it was either missing a corner, had a chipped corner, or it just didn't look right. Also with this product we had overages where the boards came together. One board was higher than the other. We had to take those boards out. We had mismilling. We'll show pictures of all this. We had mismilling, whereas the ends, when they came together, one corner touched, the other one didn't. We had spots under the finish. We had finish that didn't match. Some boards were shinier than others. Some boards were hit by the forklift. I know that's not the company's fault. That one right there they can't control, but that's Home Depot's fault. Broken tongues in the middle of a box where others that weren't broken. So how did they get broken? I have no idea. I think it came that way from the factory. Lovely, this one was fun. We had directions that were stuck to the top board in boxes. Probably 6 or 7, maybe 8 boxes where you couldn't take the directions out because they were stuck to the top board. And I have a video of it where I was actually able to pick up a board by the directions and carry it around. It's a sticky product in the first place. We don't need the directions being sticky as well. If, however, you don't care about your home, or it's for an enemy or someone you really don't like and you want to play a trick on them and buy them a really crummy product, and you decided to purchase this product for them, and you don't hate them that much, I would at least look for the one with the drop-in and lock system, maybe a beveled edge, because this is missing most of the corners, so when you have 2 corners that come together and one's missing, it doesn't look so good. Maybe if it's beveled, it would hide some of the missing corners, in my opinion. Also, go with the lowest, least shiny TrafficMASTER that you can find, so when other boards are shinier than others, it won't stand out as much. Or try to spread them out and make it like a checkered pattern. Whatever you like. I personally would have better things to do with my money. Maybe donate it to charity or burn it for fun. This product is a complete waste of money, and anything that you spend on it, you're just going to have to end up replacing it in a few months. Anyways, it's cardboard with stain on it, in my opinion. I would probably be able to find stronger cardboard, actually. I'm insulting cardboard. Did I bother to test this for moisture? No. It rained for a few minutes at the job and a couple pieces got wet. I had to throw them out. They got a couple drops of rain on them and they swelled up like you wouldn't believe. So I didn't bother to stick them in water because I don't want to waste the water. The shame of the job that we did this week, the sad thing about the job we did this week is we put it over the top of a ceramic tile that was actually pretty decent. I felt like we were hurting the value of the home that we installed this in. I couldn't believe that we were covering up a perfectly good, solid ceramic tile with a layer of cardboard that was basically falling apart as we were putting it in. We struggled to find complete boards that didn't have missing corners or were able to be the same height or color as the other boards around it. A couple boards when we were running low we had to use that had different color finish under them, but the homeowner didn't care. She said stick them under a couch. Let's just hope they don't decide to redecorate and reorganize the room. They're in for a surprise if they move that couch. We are through that. Had to be done. It was necessary. But if you'd like to see our normal, happy, everyday how-to videos from flooring and stairs, plus our reviews on vinyl, which is a great product, as well as our travel videos from Disney to destinations unknown, hit that subscribe button and make sure you like us. We're putting out 2 to 3 videos a week. I know you're going to be entertained, and you might just learn something. Or maybe not. Maybe you'll laugh at us. Maybe you'll have fun. It's entertainment at the end of the day. Thanks for tuning in.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
Alright, you can go now.
Outdoors.
Wait, do you want to see the credits? Alright.
Forever.
Then hit that subscribe button. Maybe. If you're thinking about it, just do it.